that was a great test in school. We should go walk in town, should we? Okay, here's our parents. Guys, the food truck is here. You guys try it.
Can I get one classic hamburger, please? Here you go. Thank you.
It's good to meet you. My name's Aron. Hey, Aron. Dad, this burger is so good. That's right. I'm gonna go home now. Bye, Aron.
Why, I've been walking the dog, silly.
Larry, we don't have a dog.
We do now.
What happened, Larry?
I was just walking in the park and this lady ran away for some reason, leaving her dog.
I think I know why she ran away, Larry.
Why?
Look downwards.
Honey, where are my pants?
Guys, the food truck is here. Hey, everybody, the food truck's here. We're coming. All right, we're hungry. I can't wait to eat some burgers again. Yeah, me too.